Hey everyone, so you made it to the last video of our second part of the anxiety series. My name is Sharmee Divan and thank you for watching all the other parts and coming and tuning into this part. This series is exclusive for Health Library and I have been working with them for quite a few years now. A lot of you know me. And if you do and you have been following my work, go ahead and leave me a comment down below to just share some love. Tell me if you have ever benefited with any of these videos and, if the Health Library videos have been working for you. And if there is anything else that I can bring to you, because I am into spiritual as well as mental health, and I love doing these videos for all you guys. So the final part of this video is where we are talking about how do I put this? Very simply put, an emergency kit for yourself when you have anxiety. So for this emergency kit, you don't need anything that is physical. You don't need to invest any money. You don't need a therapist. You don't need anything except you need to follow my instructions. So what are you going to do? Now, people who feel anxious often also are the people who feel lonely quite often. So the first thing, the number one thing in your kit that you want is the phone number of 3 people that you can reach out to when you are feeling anxiety or when you're feeling anxious. Can you think of these 3 people? Actually, why don't you do something? Go ahead and grab yourself a pen and a paper so that you have this kit ready by the end of this video. Okay? So I'll give you a moment to go ahead and do that. And meanwhile, I'm going to share something interesting about this emergency kit that I help my clients make. So, every time that I have a client who has anxiety, we'll always have this emergency kit that we will sit and make for them. Okay. And one of the times, my client, because we have been in therapy for the longest time, and I am always there helping my clients out with different things. And she was somebody who had not taken a flight in the longest time. And so I said that, why don't I do something? You really like my voice. You come and visit me for meditation. Why don't I send across a voice note to you? So I gave her, the rescue remedy. She had her ongoing batch remedies and then voice note that could help her and then eventually I get onto the flight and go to the flight and then reach the landing and then get out of the airport. And so, it was divided into different parts. And then, she, like I had told her to turn which one on, I had labeled it. And then she did it. And in between, she take her rescue remedy. I even told her when to take it. And amazing. Took on a flight, did not have a back, although she did off sitting the airplane and had a to her destination back, which kind of amazed me. Okay. So power of therapy, of course, I will never deny being a therapist. But when you don't have access to a therapist or when you can't invest in therapy, this little emergency kit would be most handy tools. So once again, I'm repeating the first. You want to write down the name of 3 people that who help you calm this anxiety down. Now, these 3 people need not be your therapist. These 3 people need to be the people of your inner circle. Okay? Inner circle. When I say circle, should be your go-to people and people who know that you do have. Okay, so 3 people, easy peasy. The second part to this, your rescue remedy. Now, yes, it will cost you a little bit of money to buy you the rescue remedy, but it will go a long way because when you're not using it, it's in the fridge and it will take forever because batteries don't expire. So I do think it's going to cost you a few, but it's going to be very, very worth because it's only SO. Okay, take that in a glass of water, sip intermittently, calm the anxiety down. The third part is your tapping, your where the abs where you are in and you need the SOS help, the tapping. Okay, this one. Step tapping that I told you along with the 9 minutes. That's the third tool of your emergency kit. The fourth tool in your emergency kit, and this is the interesting one, is something known as pattern break. So what happens when a person is suffering anxiety is that to go on a loop of thoughts, one thought and another and another and another. You make, take your phone, download Spotify or the music, it doesn't matter. Have any app that has music on it. And there is a lovely music which is only for anxiety, and this particular it's a sound. It's kind of like music. I think that's what it could be counted as. And particular music is called weightless. And if you have the Apple Music with yourself, there is a 10-hour version of weightless, and there is also an 8-minute version, I think. Yeah, an 8-minute. This song called it's just by Marconi Union, and particular music is scientifically proven to the anxiety down. So when you are listening to this, again, put your hands on your heart and start to breathe very deeply in through the nose and out through the mouth. Okay. The next thing in your emergency kit that you want to do is to create a nighttime routine for yourself, a nighttime regime for yourself. So the number one thing that I want you to do is half an hour, and I'm being very, very reasonable when I say half an hour. Half an hour before you go to bed, you're going to shut your data off. You're going to shut your data plan off, your Wi-Fi off, put your phone on silent and away from you. And once you have put it away from you, for those of you who like to drink teas, my suggestion will be the chamomile tea, and you will find this. So my favorite one is from Organic India. If you want to be fancy and you want to buy 20, you can, but Organic India, I think, costs like about $150 for like 20-30 sachets. And you want to make yourself a chamomile tea, okay, and sip on it. And as you sip on it, you create a nighttime ritual. So this ritual, the easiest one to do is to maintain a personal diary and write down 3 things that you have been grateful for that day. So in your personal diary, as you go ahead and sip on the chamomile tea, as your phone is away, your data plan is off, you are going to do your gratitude journaling. And I know that you may have heard this over and over again, but once again, people who do have any kind of anxiety, oftentimes, because their mind is so busy thinking of the worst scenarios, they forget what is actually working for them. Okay, so if you find yourself in that place, start a gratitude journal. And all I'm asking for you to do is write down 3 things and actually pen it down. Because when you put the pen to paper, it's a different energy that you create. You make that your reality. So when you are able to put the pen to paper and write this down, it gets locked into your subconscious mind. Okay, 3 things. And it could be something really simple. So you could be writing something along the lines of, I'm grateful to have woken up well rested this morning. I'm grateful for the yummy lunch that I had in the afternoon. And I'm grateful for, doing my morning affirmations. It could be something very mundane, or grateful for, finally having that perfect wing liner, or grateful for um, going out on a date with somebody that I found interesting. It could be something really mundane, really simple. It doesn't have to be something big and very, very significant. Remember, it is always the little things that make a big difference. Okay. So these are the things that you want to be practicing on a day-to-day basis and have them in your emergency kit of anxiety. This particularly helps on the days where you are feeling quite anxious. If you are not feeling overly anxious, I will still say to have that nighttime routine going on for yourself. Okay. So this is it from me for this time around. I will see you guys in the next loop of series that I will be creating very, very soon at the Health Library. Until then, take very, very good care of yourself. This is Sharmee Divan, your spiritual and emotional wellness coach, saying goodbye. Wishing you all a very happy and blessed Diwali, Sal Mubarak, and happy, happy, happy holidays. Thank you. Namaste.
Help Talks are daily health-related talks held at Health Education Library for People, Mumbai, India. For more information visit www.healthlibrary.com. Subscribe to Help Talks channel. Be better informed about your health.